So cash buyers, Manchester, let's see what's available. Too bad, obviously it looks a bit dated. Is that a bay window on the front? Yes, it is. Straight above, you can see the wallpaper or plasters coming away from the ceiling. So that's one thing to have a look at. Is that roof knackered because that bay window's not doing very well? It looks like there's a stain below that socket. I'm wondering if that chimney stack is still there on the top of the roof. Can't see from this photo, but I wonder if water's coming down, splashing, and it's causing a little damp issue there. Look at that, behind the sofa, someone's head's been there a few times. Nice little mark on the wall from someone's head. Got a garage light in the kitchen. Kitchen looks very dated, not been done in a while. It's a bit mucky, that wants doing. And that is a chimney stack as well, and that looks like some sort of damp issue. So that might be part of what's been happening downstairs. Well, once again, a TV on the wall with no blooming socket. Get rid of it. Look at the state of them UPVC windows. They look like they've been in a while. They look like they want swapping.